Are you looking for the top 5 best pressure washers of 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best pressure washers of 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Ontel TurboJet Hydro X5 Pro Portable Cordless Pressure Washer. TurboJet Hydro X5 Pro for power cord-free cleaning with unmatched flexibility. The TurboJet Hydro X5 Pro is built to redefine pressure washing convenience by pairing a high-efficiency rechargeable battery with up to 350 psi of pressure. Built for versatility, this cordless pressure washer is suitable to help after landscaping, rinsing boots or gear, prepping fences for staining, or combating dirt and debris. No power cord or gas is required during use **** to help you clean freely without restrictions. The dual water intake system lets you connect to a hose or draw from a bucket or open water source, making it suitable for RVers, campers, and off-grid adventurers. It's also great for rinsing muddy pets, cleaning surfaces, or tackling seasonal dirt and debris. Whether you're a homeowner, DIYer, or gardener, or just someone who values convenient cordless cleaning, the Hydro X5 Pro will fit seamlessly into your routine. Number 2. Westinghouse WPX 2300E Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX 2300E Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful, reliable cleaning performance for everyday outdoor tasks. With up to 2,300 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, it blasts away dirt, grime, and mildew from cars, fences, driveways, patios, and more. The durable induction motor runs quieter and lasts longer than standard motors, while a convenient onboard soap tank makes switching from rinsing to deep cleaning effortless. A lightweight frame and built-in wheels provide easy maneuverability around your home. And the spray gun one gives you precise control over every job. The included 5 nozzle set lets you quickly adjust pressure and spray patterns to match each surface, from delicate outdoor furniture to tough concrete stains. Designed for performance, convenience, and long-term durability, the WPX 2300E helps you keep your property looking spotless with less effort and more efficiency. Perfect for homeowners who want professional results at home. If you want, I can also make a shorter or more keyword-optimized version. Number 3. High-pressure power washer with foam cannon. The pressure washer has a deep cleaning water pressure up to 2.5 GPM of water flow. While saving water and energy, it also ensures high cleaning efficiency and the ability to clean objects with complex shapes and structures, which makes it ideal for cleaning various surfaces in the home, such as driveways, patio furniture, and cars. Multifunctional Use the Power Washer is equipped with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles, water pressure strength 0, degree 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degrees, and a foam cannon. 4 metal nozzles with different pressure strengths for different application scenarios to meet your cleaning needs. The detergent bottle can be filled with chemicals, such as bleach. The cleaner will not pass through the pump, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the machine. ESYTO uses a design of 2 rollers brakes through the environmental limitations for easy movement and operation, while the bottom of the body adds an anti-tipping design for overall stability when not in motion. In addition, it can take water from both a faucet and a bucket, making it easy to create a clean space wherever you want. Convenient storage the pressure cleaning machines are equipped with a power cord hook and nozzle holder for easy access. In addition, its compact design makes it easy to store in a garage or pantry when not in use. The pressure washer is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and more. Number 4. Greenworks 2300 PSI TruBrushless 2.3 GPM Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks 2300 PSI TruBrushless Electric Pressure Washer 2.3 GPM is a powerful, user-friendly cleaning tool designed for residential outdoor jobs. It delivers up to 2,300 psi of pressure and a maximum of 2.3 GPM water flow, making short work of dirt, grime, mud, and mildew on driveways, decks, siding, patios, and more. Its TruBrushless motor with smart flow technology automatically adjusts power for efficient cleaning with any of the included nozzles and helps protect the pump from overheating. This model comes with a 25 feet kink-resistant hose, metal quick connect wand, and 5 versatile spray tips. 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap, and turbo for everything from delicate rinsing to intense dirt removal. A total stop system shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, extending the life of the unit, and large, never-flat wheels make it easy to move around the yard. Backed by industry-leading PWMA certification and solid warranties, it's built for reliable, everyday performance. Number 5. Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer, 1.2 GPM, is a lightweight, easy-to-use cleaning solution perfect for everyday residential tasks like washing cars, fences, patios, driveways, and decks. This CSA-certified unit delivers up to 1.2 gallons per minute of water flow and around 1,600 to 1,900 psi of pressure to blast away dirt, grime, and mildew without the hassles of gas engines. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes a 20 feet tangle-free high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord with integrated GFCI, giving you plenty of reach around your home without needing extension cords. The unit is compact and lightweight, making it simple to move, store, and operate, while onboard accessory storage keeps nozzles and tools organized. With features like a soap applicator and quick connect fittings, this pressure washer helps you tackle light to medium outdoor cleaning jobs efficiently and effectively.